How is an unhealed betrayal and shattered trust affecting you in your workplace? I want to read you a couple of stats. Ready? 16 days of lost productivity per employee. Over $10,000 per employee in incremental healthcare costs. And you know why? It's because of all of the symptoms of post-betrayal syndrome. You may have heard me share some of these. We've had over 95,000 people take our post-betrayal syndrome quiz to see to what extent they're struggling. And I'm just going to read you a few that really could affect this. 71% have low energy. This is out of tens of thousands. 71% have low energy. 68% have sleep issues. 45% have digestive issues, Crohn's, IBS, diverticulitis. 70% are walking around in a state of disbelief. 62% can't concentrate. 88% are extremely sad. 83% are very angry. 80% have anxiety. 79% are stressed. Think about how this would affect the workplace. 84% have an inability to trust. So if you can't trust, how do you trust your boss, your coworker, that collaborative partner? 67% prevent themselves from forming deep relationships because they're afraid of being hurt again. So think about how that affects how you're connecting and interacting with people that you're doing business with. It is profound. So with that, every month I have a call with the coaches that are certified, our certified PBT coaches, the ones that work within PBT, the PBT Institute. And I was talking to them about what I'm seeing in corporate. And one coach said, "Oh my gosh, Debbie, I was out 7 months after my betrayal." Another one said, "Oh my gosh, I am so glad I was in my own business because there's no way I could have worked." It is hitting companies so hard. So with that, the PBT Institute has a very new initiative. And what we're doing is we just became a certified women business enterprise, which means a lot of corporations have funds to bring in our program. So if you are in a company and you want your company to sponsor you to join us for our 3-month, our Reclaim program, which will literally move you through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. We have all of our coaches, all of our programs. Remember, it is research-based. Everything is proven to work. If the research, I did the study, if the research proved it worked, it's in the PBT Institute. If the research proved really wasn't that great, it's not. So it's a 3-month program. We have it where now we're reaching out to companies who may want to sponsor you to come in. So 2 things. Know that, number 1, if you have an unhealed betrayal, it's showing up in your health, in your work, in your relationships. It's impacting you at work deeply in your confidence, in your level of trust, in your health, in your healthcare costs, in presenteeism, in absenteeism, in turnover, in morale, in all of these things. And number 2, if you're working in a company and that company would really benefit from supporting their employees to truly get the support they need to move through their betrayal and shattered trust. There is nothing like it that exists. So reach out, DM me, comment below, whatever it is. But when you heal from your betrayal, and you can only do that fully by moving through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, you have improved health, morale, productivity. You're a different person because you are literally recreating yourself. You're taking all the parts you love, you're leaving behind everything that no longer serves. You're not repairing trust, you're rebuilding trust. You are rebuilding yourself from the ground up. So it's a profound version of you that shows up in stage 4 and 5. Most people stay stuck in stage 3 and they're living a stage 3 life. Not talking about those people. Those are the people who have the symptoms of post-betrayal syndrome. And then you know what you do? You medicate and you suppress the symptoms. And that's all you do. But when you move through the stages in a proven, predictable way, there is a specific protocol you need to do. It's a very different, betrayal is a different type of trauma. It needs a different way to heal. So we have all of that for you. So whether it's you individually, whether you're working in a company and your company would benefit from this very specific type of support, reach out. You do not have to stay stuck. There is a proven, predictable way to heal from all of it. And now The PBT Institute is going corporate, so we can help you on that level as well. So do not stay stuck. Let's move into the new year, moving through those 5 stages so you can become that healed, healthy, whole, rebuilt version of you. The worst of it happened already. You owe it to yourself to enjoy and experience that transformation that's waiting for you in stages 4 and stage 5. So I hope that helps. Reach out and let us help you.